Bitcoin and real estate in Miami, they're more similar than you might think. When we think about modern investments, many people look to Bitcoin. But what if I told you that investing in real estate in Miami could offer similar long-term returns? Why is that? For several reasons, and among them for reasons very similar to those of Bitcoin, today we're going to explore two assets that share characteristics that make them truly powerful, and why Miami in particular could be one of the big winners in the coming years. My name is Vadim Laramendi. I'm a real estate agent in Florida, an investor, and a resident of this great city of Miami. So come with me
now.
Everyone knows that Bitcoin has a limit of 21 million. No more Bitcoin can be created. That scarcity is an essential part of its value. You can't create more, you can't duplicate it. Now then, think a bit about Miami. There is no more waterfront land. The city has its limits. There is no other Kendall Square, no other Brickell, no other Wynwood, no other Miami. Zoning, migration, and the consolidation of neighborhoods make every well-located property unique. Scarcity here isn't digital, but it's just as powerful. And when demand skyrockets and rises, value responds to it. Climate, an emotional, economic, and strategic draw. Miami, we all know it has sunshine. That's absolutely true, but it also has great operational continuity. There's no snow here to halt construction, moves, or visits. The great warm tropical climate of this city attracts buyers from all over the world. Europe, Canada, Latin America, Asia, and the well-being that comes from living in this great city isn't just something you feel, it translates into value. Climate-resilient properties, elevated with solar panels, hurricane-proof windows, are selling faster and at higher prices. The climate of this city isn't just a lifestyle, it's also a strategy. Global demand, the ever-growing interest. Bitcoin is a global asset. Anyone, anywhere in the world can claim it and buy it. And that has driven up its value. But Miami is also a city that has become a global attraction. It's a safe haven for capital from Latin Americans, Canadians, Europeans, Asians. It's a bridge between cultures, between financial systems, between lifestyles, and every year, more people want a piece of this great city. That international demand is driving the real estate market in a sustained way. And the best part is that it's not speculative, it's migratory, emotional, and strategic. Financial and technological transformation, the new epicenter. Financial and technological transformation. The new epicenter, Miami is undergoing a transformation. It's no longer just about beaches and tourism. It's banking, investment funds, technology, and innovation. Citadel, Blackstone, Apollo, Point72. They all have offices here. Brickell has become the second district with the most international banks outside of New York City. The Global Financial Center Index now ranks the city of Miami in the international top 25. Ken Griffin, CEO of Citadel, said Miami represents the future of America. And that, my friend, is not all. The city is also making a big bet on the crypto and tech world. Mayor Francis Suarez accepted his salary in Bitcoin and promotes the city of Miami as the crypto capital of the United States. Hundreds of crypto ATMs have been installed, and many hotels already accept payments in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Miami has also hosted the largest Bitcoin conferences internationally. It even launched its own cryptocurrency, Miami Coin. This convergence between traditional finance and emerging technology not only raises property values, but also the perception of the city of Miami as a hybrid financial asset that links modernity with the most traditional elements. And what if this wasn't about choosing between an asset like Bitcoin or investing in real estate in the city of Miami? Bitcoin and real estate in Miami share more than it might seem at first glance. Scarcity, global demand, safe haven asset, potential for appreciation, and growing interest from people. One is digital and the other is a tangible asset, but both, thank you, can be part of a very smart long-term strategy. And if what you're looking for is where to position yourself for the coming years, Miami has some very solid arguments to be included in your portfolio. After more than 15 years investing, designing, and guiding people on their financial journeys, I've learned that the best decisions aren't always the most obvious ones. Sometimes what seems traditional has as much or even more potential than what appears disruptive. Investing in the future of real estate in Miami isn't just about buying bricks and mortar, it's about participating in a city that's evolving, attracting talent, capital, and a global vision. Do it with strategy, with vision, and with support. My name is Vadim Laramendi. I am a real estate agent in Florida, an investor, and also a neighbor in this great city of Miami, which has a bright future that has already begun. That's all for now. Thank you so very much for being here with us today.